Where you going, Tako? 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 First riding Hawk this year, letting Tako ride my DRZ.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. That Chinese accent gets me every time.
Yeah, well, sorry about that, bro.
Got my new rim on. Where you going, Tako? Dirty Hawk. I guess my tack wire's screwed, huh? Tako was coming to the States, and since he was close, he wanted to use a couple of our bikes as guinea pigs. So I said yes, of course. Where you going, Tako? Tako. Where you going, Tako? Taking a shortcut?
Yeah,
There's a handle there. Inside there's a handle.
oh!
They don't have them in China? Where you going, Tako? That needs a mowing. Where you going, Tako?
This is a nice recliner bike, hey? A little soft for me on the back, but it's actually quite a nice bike. Well behaved suspension.
Yeah, well I keep it soft because I like it for off-road.
Yeah. Probably for me, I'm a bit bigger than you probably.
Right, and I have it a little lowered and the front's lowered.
It's got good power. It hasn't got that insane power.
Right.
But it's got good power.
It's respectable. Well, it's only a 400, so
Yeah.
that's gonna be a feat, huh?
Yeah.
So the person in the dump truck died, right? Not the car?
The car.
Oh, he made it? Was the car in the water too? I heard there was entrapment.
The car was under the brush, up on the bank, I guess. But the car is the one that caused it.
Oh. Right, puppy? What do you think?
The car was in his lane.
Oh.
He swerved to avoid it. He went over the bank and the car still hit the truck anyway.
Wow.
The car pushed him off the road, or?
I guess, yeah.
Well, that was a hell of a ride going down that hill with all them trees. He was probably shitting, man.
We're not releasing no names yet.
Well, yeah, you gotta let the family know first.
Yeah.
No, that's what I was saying. They're probably better off trying to drag it across here and come up, because that's gonna take all of that. Where are we going now, Tako? Yeah, some of these roads are so narrow in turns. I smell diesel fuel now. That guy went for a hell of a ride. That stinks that someone died in that accident too. Wow, they detoured up here too. What the heck is that? Where are we going, Tako? Where you going, Tako? I saw that, Tako. Where'd he go? He was right behind us. Ah, lost a bolt.
Yeah, I heard him flapping around. I was like, oh, I better check.
He'll make it home.
We're not far.
He was flying. Yeah, he was flying. That felt like a little wiggle. I love coming on our side. Is that low? Look low? Does this look low? Oh yeah. You know where we are here? No. Where are you going, Tako? Yeah, that's a good idea to stop. Oh, way off balance. I wonder if I lost a bead. I didn't even look. Jeebus. It's flat again. Junk. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.